Hello dear students, welcome to today's English class. So as we know, we have already completed the lesson learning the game, the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. Hope you have understood the lesson, you have learned the difficult words, you have completed the questions and answered it in your notebook. I hope so, because we are doing only 6, maybe 5 or 6 questions a day. You got ample time to finish it. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യത്തിന് സമയം കിട്ടിക്കാണോന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം അത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. So let us move to the textbook activities are there that you can complete them. Those are not very difficult ones. Okay, I don't give you a class for that because that are simple ones. Textbookile activities ഈ സച്ചിൻ്റെ പാഠത്തിൻ്റേത് അത്ര വലിയ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒന്നുമല്ല. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഹോംവർക്ക് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. അത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. So with that, I thought to give you some exam-based questions, okay, and discourses. And dear students, you know, the purpose of learning these lessons are not merely to by heart something and just put in black and white in your paper. No, it is not that. Okay, when you learn, when you read these passages and when you learn the new words, you must be able to understand the lesson and produce whatever asked from the lesson in your own words. Okay, that is the purpose of learning these lessons. Okay, so therefore, whatever work we give as activities, please do it yourself. Otherwise, it is all useless. Watching all these videos, sending the notes, everything is useless. നിങ്ങളത് മനസ്സിലാക്കി നിങ്ങളത് പഠിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടേതായ സെൻറ്റൻസുകളിൽ എഴുതി അയക്കുന്നില്ല എങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ വേസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ടൈം. ഓക്കെ, ദെയർഫോർ പ്ലീസ് ടേക്ക് സം അറ്റൻഷൻ ടു കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഓൾ ദീസ് വർക്ക്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഫസ്റ്റ് one activity I am giving you is to prepare a profile of Sachin coach Ramakant Achrekar. Informations are given here. So you know how to prepare a profile, you have learned it. Okay, you have to start like this, no? Ramakant Achrekar, okay, the well-known coach of a world-famous cricket player, Sachin Tendulkar, was born in the year 1932 at Malwan in the state of Maharashtra. See, at Malwan, at prepositions on, for year in, if it has a date on, place of birth at Malwan, in for the state in Maharashtra. Okay, he was a cricket coach by profession and he was teaching in the school, no, Sarada Vidya Mandir. You can mention that, it's not mentioned here. And he is a founder of Kamath Memorial Cricket Club at Shivaji Park. So additional information. And he trained Sachin Tendulkar, the most famous or the god of cricket known to be. Okay, and you can write something more about Achrekar sir. He was a disciplinarian and he was a visionary. He had a great vision. You can mention in that profile. And the many players he trained like Vinod Kambli, Ajit Agarkar, no? And you can mention his awards. Okay, and he received the Dronacharya Award in 1990 and Padma Shri in 2010. And one more additional information you can add: the year of his death is not given here. Please Google. Okay, search Google when he died. You can add the date there. Okay, that profile will be considered to be a profile that you worked. Okay, that you won't get from guide because that is recently happened. ഈ ഇടയ്ക്ക് സംഭവിച്ചാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ മരണം, അധികം നാളായില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് അതും കൂടി ഇതിനകത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ ഗൂഗിളിൽ സെർച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ദാറ്റ്സ് എ വർക്ക് ഫോർ യു. ഓക്കെ, യു ക്യാൻ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഇറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് 2 more works. Prepare the character sketch of Ramakant Achrekar. So you can say Ramakant Achrekar is the coach of Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, and Sachin honors him, respects him very much. He played an important role in bringing up Sachin, and his qualities you can mention. He was he had a scrutinizing eyes to find the talent in a player. That's how he found, and he was a disciplinarian, and he was a humanitarian. He cared for Sachin, that he was buying and giving him vada pav and all, okay, and he was very strict. He had the ability to find out the best in a player, okay, and he used to give rigorous training. So all that, these characters you can mention. Clear, no? Okay. You narrate in your own words how Ajay sir trained Sachin. So that schedule from the textbook you can take that, and how he began, and he never allowed Sachin to bunk his training, and he never wanted him to go and watch others playing, because he wanted that he practice well and the world should come to watch him. See that, how he trained, how he was training morning and in the afternoon and in the evening, and how he was taking care of him. All that you can mention his training. So don't think that these are too many works, okay. You take your time. Okay, I don't ask you to complete it within one day. ഒറ്റ ദിവസം കൊണ്ട് ഇത് ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നില്ല. നിങ്ങളുടെ സമയം എടുക്കുക. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിനായിട്ട് മാറ്റി വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സമയം കാണുമല്ലോ. 1 day I think മറ്റോ ഡിവൈഡഡ് ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ ആ സമയത്ത് ഇത് കൃത്യമായിട്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതിയിട്ട് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരാം. Okay, you have to send to me personally. Okay, and I'll correct it. Please write your own sentences. I love to see how you write. Not somebody else wrote in some other guide, or how somebody wrote in the internet. I'm happy with what you give me. Okay? Okay, that is what is our own. It has its merit. നമ്മുടേത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിന് അതിൻ്റേതായ ഒരു മഹത്വമുണ്ട്. So keep that. Don't copy from anyone. Okay? So do this work and complete. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.